Alpha. No, you can move it. You can go with it. Alpha, guys. I just want to make a quick video because this just came in. Yeah. This guy just came in, so I want to make the owner to see the car. This is a 2017. You know, now seizure, now accident people they buy. Yes, so they cheap for him. Now a good buy. I don't make a post because not my car. Yes, I'm not the owner. Now the reason why I don't make a post. Yeah. Now the reason why I don't make a post because I'm not the owner. Very cheap. Over cheap they want in the car. Yeah. I know, but I don't go want this because the owner knows her. It's a personal vehicle. Yes. Over makes sense. The braking part is inside there. So the owner will get to know, you know what's up. He knows what's up. Guy, you know yourself now. So no need to talk. No need to cap to talk much. Your car don't come them so yard. I get my point. So your car don't did them so yard. So I have to go now, Shebi. The guy don't come and say, don't so how far? I never see my car. Don't me buy the car. Don't buy the car. I ain't bought the car by himself. Yes, I ain't buy the car. I won't go car wash again Sunday because you see how dirty everybody car they because of the weather. They're so messed up and cold. This car, I won't go auction this my car. I won't carry this my car go auction go sell. This my pickup. You know nothing they do here now. I want to get rid of this auction. This is my car. Yes. Guys, I have to go now. Now this car make me, I can't even come back to just do a quick video for the owner to see his car. So I want to go. I say go no give me, go no give us road. Yeah, now take care. Nothing, not no more video. I don't get more video I go do. Yes, I don't get more video I go do. I can't keep myself. You get one video I supposed to do, How Copa take me Ojoro? Yes, I supposed to do the video, but I don't go do them now. Maybe it should be tomorrow. Not today. Yes, not today. I'm going to do it tomorrow, not today because I want a car. I want a bid. Copat, I want a bid. As I was about to pay, Copa sent me an email said no. I got them so that car will win. Maybe that amount. That amount too small. The amount too small. So we'll come on this car. Until I joke, I they move the car. Yes, the guy where I win the car for. See this other one. That's a savage car. Yeah, that's a savage car. Everybody accident. You see this kind of bad weather now. You go get enough accident cars. Yes, now because road. See and see why we get accident cars. You see. I can show you guys why they get accident cars. Because if you watch now, we get some crazy mad drivers. We get some mad drivers, you understand, for highway. You know, we don't high. When snow fall, see how this now ice. When snow fall now, everywhere they messed up. People with the bash their car anyhow. That is the reason why they get accident car. Nobody say anything in the car. You new cars though, where the person go bash. Just as this one we see so now. Important to now accident car where they go bash. You understand? And so the car they start, they drive fine. See the engine, see the engine still dey sharp. See the car now. So sweet. Now still accident. So everything. This one now going to go cost small because the accident they very you know them much. Yeah, you get my point. You know them much, so it will cost more. Then if you want to buy this car for without no accident, you know how much it will be now. You understand? So everybody they watch in pocket. That is just how it is. Everybody watch their pocket. This car now, I bet you, if you go, you guys go check the amount now for yourself now. You come back and say, wow. You come back and say, wow. Then so this car over cheap. Yes. The car they start though. Because it's not to affect the this thing. We get good hands for Nigeria. Forget. We get good hands for Nigeria. We go fix the car. Once them touch this car, you no go ever know say this car don't get to accident record. Yes, once them touch this car, I want me to take the car inside. You understand? I want me to carry the car go inside. I want me to carry the car go inside. You understand? So okay, we get this car. You know your car now. You know your car. So guys, I have to go now. I came out on behalf of our big boss. We say make a call, make them my from his car. I guess I have done my part. Audio compartments, see them. Very cheap. Very cheap. Very cheap. So cheap. Go and verify. I bought Venza for one of our brother. Yes, I bought Venza for one of our brother. Yeah, the guy there here. The guy there here. The guy there here. Guy, I want to go. Do you have any question? I won't go. Do you have any question? I want to go. I won't go, my guys. I'll go watch motorbike. Question time. Any question? Any question? Those who they doubt me say it's fake, them two are fake. If I did a bad accident, does not mean say I did a accident. Yes, not choice. You get my point, not choice. Not choice. You understand? Yes, I get to say what they fix, what they say. Because that is condition where the Nigerian government put us. That is it. Before, we need to buy accident car, but since when duty come high, everything come high. This car now, the duty for this car now where you see so now, The duty for this car now where you see so now, This car now, they pursue almost 8M. Yes, they pursue 8M. This car where you see so. 8M does the duty we pay the Nigerian government. Shipping no day there. The amount we buy no day there. So this is I say, do I pay advance or how does it work? Mr. Sunday, the first and foremost, you must see where the point and buy. You must see what they find. Yes, you must see what they buy. If you know what they buy, then there is no point discussing business. Then if you want to understand how I work or how I operate, then you need to contact me. More discuss on WhatsApp. Yes, contact me. More discuss on WhatsApp. That is it. More discuss on WhatsApp private. That's how I do it. Don't be here. I get my point because some idiots come here to steal my information. Usually I'm going to scam people. Yes, so if you're hungry, they catch. Yes, say I'm. So at the end now, some animal them go come they insult me as if say hungry they catch me. See them so. You get a point. See my yes. Some go come a Photoshop. So that is just why. That is just it. Yes. No, I mean I still say yes. Hungry they catch me. First one go say scam for waiting. Example who hungry they catch. Okay, so they buy accident car. Now waiting the person fit afford. The person no go thief. Are you with me? The person no go dating, no go thief. Now what if it afford? So na person buy this car now, this Golf GTSI. Now what if it afford? Yes. My brother, how far? Yeah, now what if it afford? Are you with me? I think if it afford. I know go. Now what if it afford? If you can afford accident free, I go buy for you. Now mom be buy this car where they there now, shebi? Yes, na choice. Na choice. Na choice, okay? My choice. You have any question? I want to go. You have any question? You have any question, guy? I want to go. Do you have any question? I want to go. Do you have any question? I want to go. Do you have any question? Okay, I won't go. Man, ask me now. Ask me question. I won't go. What are they called? Ask me a question. I want to go. Any question? Tell me, welcome on board. Do you have any question? Ask me question. Ask me. Yes, tell me I see you. Do you have any question? Okay, this guy, ask me, engineer. Our engineer, ask me question. Ask us your question. Ugo Chukwu, do you have question? Do you have any question? Ask me your question. I won't go because when I don't come, my ear won't cut. Oi. Do you have any question, guy? Guy, do you have any question? Do you have any question? Which engineer ask us? I dey wait. Walk and shout. Engineer, ask me your question. Something happened. As I did told you, you see all these cars they buy for auction. Auction at thief. Yes, they sell at thief. I want a bid. Car I buy, they don't give me the car. They return my money back, say take. They say take. Say no, the car too cheap. Thief pay me, but I can't keep myself. The owner say, I go see them. No, what kind of rubbish is this? Now I ask the guy, say, you are you. You don't see go part. Are you okay? Oh, wait till I go see them. Take us go. Yeah, they're taking the car inside. Oh, take the car inside. Yeah, man. They're taking the car inside. Yeah. So, you guys who are going to the watch for waiting. Seriously. Very sharp. You see him? Now the devil will not do this. If the car is Nigeria, now the guy goes to do a deal with the devil will know. If you try to drive now, you will never ever know. I get to my point. So that is it. Do you have any question, guys? I want to go. Who can ask me a question now? Those are not when they insult me, they're not here. They don't get data. You know if you watch me because they don't get data. This is an China phone they use. When that came missing there here, you put on all in network for that shop here. In fact, I don't go if you buy 2005 camera now. They come and insult me, they talk rubbish because you get free data. Do you have any question? I want to go. No question, guys. See Since I don't get any close, I have to go now. You understand? So I can take care and buy for now. No question.